What are we making for my lunchbox today?
Today I have a very, very colorful and healthy recipe for lunchbox. Let's start with the ingredients. We have carrots chopped and ready, beetroot, cucumber, and peaches. And we have a little bit of
mint and parsley.
Yes, mustard.
Olive
oil, vinegar. Okay, let's start. First, we have to mix all the ingredients. Yes, beetroot,
red
beetroot,
and orange and
okay, carrots, and then
yellowish
peaches. I put the peach inside. And what else?
Cucumber.
Okay, give me the other things. Yes. Let's add the parsley and the mint. Yes.
I need the sauce.
Let's put the sauce.
It looks so weird because like the sauce is like mixing the colors together. Like it's like getting all the juice and like mixing the color juice together.
Yes,
And it looks like a rainbow.
While mixing, you have to hold the bowl and then mix with the other hand. That's great. We put this here, and now we have our tortilla wraps ready. Normally it's better to put 2 layers because the vegetables, they're a little bit wet with the sauce, and we're going to have a better wrap. Yes, put it at the middle. Yes. Oops. Wait. Yeah, that's okay. I think that's enough. Put it back, Daria. Now we're going to roll it. Just make sure that it's all over the bread, yeah. Then slowly and nicely you wrap it. And then press it down. Okay. Daria, the first bit is what? Can we use it?
No.
Okay, the other edge. Then we make it half. Now,
Look at the color.
yeah, look at the color. Okay, now we're done with the wrap. Do you want to try the mixture?
Yeah.
Which one of them?
Mom, let me take another bite so I can put it through.
Now?
Let me have another one.
Okay.
Let me just have one more.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? You ready? What happened?
I can't quite get it yet.
Okay. Why? It's
Let me just
easy.
have one more.
Okay. What happened?
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Good. Which one you prefer?
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Let me try
But I
and
think
see.
I like the beetroot.
I think it's better now you ask me which one I prefer, because I would love to try it too.
What do you think of that?
Wait, please. Let me have another one.
Mommy!
No. Wait.
Mommy, stop copying me.
Oh, see how I feel? Okay. Tell me which one now.
I like the beetroot and the mint.
You know, I was waiting for this answer because I know normally you don't like beetroot, and I wanted you to say I like beetroot. Now everything is ready. Dario, can you go and get me the lunchbox?
Okay, Captain.
Okay, and I'm gonna go and get some lovely cherry tomatoes.
Oh, in a little place to put the tomatoes.
Yes, that's a very good idea.
Squeezy, squeezy, squeeze.
Okay, let's put them inside. We start with this. Okay, that's nice. And
Put these in.
yes, that's
A bit harder.
Mm-hmm.
And put. Mommy, can we put one more?
Why not? I washed them before and I kept it in the fridge for you. Okay, now we close it.